So I want to journal our trades, right? So as you can see, I've entered, I think, 5 positions, right, today, right? So I want to record these trades on Notion so that we're able to what to keep a journal, in order for us to what to yeah, in order for us to backtest and see how it goes, right? So over here, I've already created a what my template, right? So we're going to be changing the account, right? So we input the name of the account that we are trading, right? So let's say just Deriv and just 123 or 136, right? So that I know which account I'm recording, right? And on Weltrade, I say Weltrade and just another, so like the first number, so that I just remember, I just know that this is one, that this account, this is that account, right? So over here, 3 4 and just that, it doesn't matter as long as if I know what I'm saying, right? Oh, so if we put a color code, right? So over here, that's how I'll be recording how I'll be recording my trades, right? So yeah, we just click done. So this is important if you want to keep what a trading journal, right? We have to record the pay, right? So for the pay, we're going to be what inserting the pay that we've entered, right? So let's go and check out let's go and check the trade that we took at first, right? So let's just say we entered what gain, right? We entered gain 600, right? So first of all, right, we open the date that we entered and you insert what the date, check the date, and insert the date that we have entered, right? So that you'll be able to keep what to keep track, right? And after entering that date, as you can see, the date adjusted down to the last row below, right? So that's where we'll be entering. So was it a win or a loss? It was a loss, right? Why did we enter? We record each and everything of that, right? I'll enter the profit, the stop loss, everything. We'll be going to be recording everything, right? So yeah, and then of course we're going to also be, as it's talking out there, right? But also we're going to be recording the what we're going to be taking screenshots of why we entered, right? So over here, that's why we entered. So we're going to be recording zone flip, support and resistance, anything of your choice, right? So let's see the percentage that we lost, right? So 0.09 is 9%, right? So we lost 9%, almost roughly 10%, right? Put it in the wrong column, right? So roughly 10% of our account, right? It was a sale. What were you feeling at that time? What made you lose? Everything. You have to record each and everything that you see, that you deem fit, or what do I say, that you think is reasonable, right? And comment in the comment and give a comment so that you'll be able to remember why you entered that trade and everything, right? And set a screenshot of that of the entry.